Good morning, everyone. My research theme is mind-affecting genes. This is today's outline. At first, I would like to talk about genetic testing. Today, genetic testing can provide information about a person's genes and chromosomes. And as various companies have entered the genetic testing business, we can really undergo genetic testing and find ourselves risk of 120 types of disease, affinity with 24 types of medicine, and 16 types of constitution. Therefore, I guess that genes affect various body functions. At first, I researched about genetically difference among humans. Although a human has 6 billion DNA base pairs between unrelated humans, the difference occurs in only 6 million sets of one. So humans have the almost same genes. However, even if between brothers there is hate and character traits and the blood type are not identical. These differences occur in only 2 million sets of DNA base pairs. Although genetically slight difference affects the physical characteristic in this way. Does it occur only physical difference? I guess that it affects the mind too, and I focus on the difference as my research theme. I have looked up a comparative experiment about brain that created mind. The brain imaging stem of the California University experimented about 20 sets of twin brains. The experiment measured their brain by MRI. These 10 of 20 sets are identical twins, and another 10 sets are fraternal twins, and the conditions such as their social status, birth time, and length of period when they were together are prepared carefully. As a result, using the MRI, it was provided that not only never changed gray matter to the death, white matter continued to change in the course of growth was very similar. However, there is such example. Although Emma and Marta are identical twins and go to the same university and have the same dream, that was to become an opera singer. They have liking for each theme of painting. Marta draws a face in detail, but Emma draws an image to be expanded such as sky. Because of the difference in their environment or in their genes. As next, I would like to talk about C. elegans as example for the affecting physiology. It was a multicellular organism to have its whole genome sequenced. although it feeds on the bacteria that develop in decaying organic matter. There are two kinds of feeding style. If NPR1 that is more of the protein receive brain, it prefer group social. However, if NPR1 receive phenylalanine, it prefer identified actionist. Humans have the genes like this. This name is 5-HTT genes-linked polymorphic region. It is serotonin-transporter genetic polymorphism. I investigated it. It regulates the serotonin destiny of the synapse cleft by reuptake mechanism in front nerve terminals of serotonin. Although all humans have 5-HTT-LPR, and there are some kinds humans having long one and short one by nature. This gene affected serotonin of the hormone serotonin, about feeling according to the name, and we know that regulated an emotional reaction, including the brain activity. Then, how do the amount of serotonin affect the mind? Serotonin suppresses the runaway of noradrenaline and dopamine, neurotransmitters that affect and balance of mind. So it is called happiness hormone. But if it's insufficient, it upsets proportion of mind and leads to violence or depression. Moreover, about 10 mg of serotonin is presented in the human body, and 90% of it is presented in chromatin cells in the mucosa of the small intestines. And serotonin is effective for interstitial disaster to help the digestion by peristalsis. Thus, it is considered to have affected the IBS that is rapidly increased in recent years. In this connection, IBS is the disease that repeats discomforts of abdomen and abdominal pain with bowel movement, abdominalitis, such as chronic diarrhea or constipation. Thus, IBS patients easily suffer from stress because they don't have much serotonin. My conclusion is, although all our thoughts and actions are not that gene affected by such growing process environment. However, as genetic research technique develops mind-affecting genes, that affected our lives might be discovered, like 5-HTT-LPR. If that day comes true, we can find more various fate by a genetic test. Therefore, we have to prepare oneself emotionally for accepting our destiny. I refer to these for my research. Thank you for listening.